Hello there. In this video we will find how to create split washer, that is IS6735 in nanoCAD Mechanica. Some informations like the DWG, these are only the back files, so I don't need this. So I need a DWG file and the image for the preview. So as you can see in the preview, the split washer, and then we need the Excel. So in this Excel, all the informations will be there, and you will get it from IS standards or on your case you will find it on the project catalog, right? So now let's go to nanoCAD Mechanica. So I'll open nanoCAD Mechanica. As you can see, these are the drafting, so and different variables and the numbers assigned with it. So these are the views: front view, top view, and the back view, right? And some of the informations, the basic informations you can say. So now as previous, we will test the model. So we'll go to this, and before we go anywhere, we will see what is the model says. It is okay. I will test again. This is okay, and again, and this is okay. Fine. So now we'll go to script master, and we will say that we want to create new objects, and this is okay. I want to save to this directory, and the name will be like this, and comment, and I'll go with the default template, right? So I'll click OK, and now on the implementations I'll add implementations, add 2D implementations. So these are the implementations I added, right? So now I will choose the top view, right? So I will go for recognize top view. So this is the top view, so I'll choose the view. Top view is fine, and then I'll see the available view, the front view. So maybe I'll choose the front view here, so I'll choose the front view. So this is my front view, right? And the back view, so this will be the back view. So this is the back view, so I'll choose the back view. So this is the back view. This is fine, right? So I choose all the views I needed to choose. So now I will go to table. I will create table, and in this table I will import the data from the Excel. So this is the Excel IS6735. So I will import, and as previous, all the informations will be imported in this, and there you go. So all the information is now available for editing. This is for nominal diameter, this is for outer diameter, this is for inner, and this is for height and other informations. And these are the all informations we have, total 27, right? And now we'll start from here, and as previous, we will add the preview. So we'll go to the preview, and this is the preview, right? And I'll go to table, and I will save informations, and I'll go to the script master now, right? Right. So now I'll copy this number, or we can write split washer or something, or maybe on this case we will use the number, or click next. And now again we will only bother about the nominal diameter. So this is the inner diameter. Okay, in the descriptions we have the nominal diameter, so we will use that. And so nominal diameter is 2, and I will keep it open, so it will be available for editing. And then outer diameter, if nominal diameter is 2, then outer diameter will be 4.4. So I'll choose 4.4, and this will also be available for editing. And then I will also choose inner diameter. So when nominal diameter is 2 outer diameter is 4.4, then the inner diameter will be 2.1. So 2.1, right? And this will also be available for editing. So I'll press next, and I'll press next. I will not use any of this for now. We will discuss later on. So I will press next, and I'll press next. I'll save it, all the informations. I'll say okay. So now I will go for the final save here. So I added the implementations here. I added the table with all the informations, and this is the script, right? This is sorry, this is the preview, right? So I'm ready to use this. So I will save and I will close this, right? And now for now I will close this window. I don't need it anymore. I'll go for new window here. Okay, so now I cannot find this, so I need to make a refresh. There you go. So here is the item, so I can click on that. I can see the preview. I'll go to home, and maybe I'll go to mechanical, and I will use some templates, right? So this is my template. I will hit enter. So this is my template, and now I would like to use the split washer in the drawing. So this is the split washer in the drawing. So now in the preview I can see different types. So now I have different options to hover between. So maybe I can go for 2.2 and I say okay, apply. So this is my objects, right? So, and now you can see nominal diameter, outer diameter, and inner diameter. The corresponding values are available for user to choose. I say okay and okay. So now I created these objects, right? If any time I need to update this, so I can choose this and I can say 10, it will be 10, and the preview will be something like this, front view or the back view. So maybe front view I will create. So this is the front view, right? So this is how we can create any objects, any smart objects, and you can always right click and you can import and export the objects, right? So this is very useful. Now as we have seen that we can create some basic objects, and then we seen that we can create some of the complex objects. I mean if we have all the data. And now we will in the future videos we will discuss you know, each of the functions of make wizard, like set parameters, insertion point, and symmetrical axis, test model, and parametric array and dimensions. All of this. Hope this will help. Thank you very much.